Hi there, it's Dave here from Notion Learning. A bit of a departure this week, so instead of doing a normal tutorial, we're just going to do a speed test where I'm going to try and deploy a PowerPoint and an associated podcast to provide voice narration for that PowerPoint, and I'm going to try and do it in under 3 minutes. So here we go. First thing we do is log in, and we go to Content and Tests. And we're going to click on New Course, and we're going to call this Speed Test. Click on Create Course, and we're going to go straight in and view and edit the course content. We get a blank course. We're going to click on New Page. We're going to call it Page 1. Press Enter to create that page. Click on New Page again. Create a page called Quiz. Press Enter again. Got 2 pages. Go back to our first one. Remove the text that's there as default when you start a page. Click on File. Add a PowerPoint file from our hard drive. Click on Upload. Give it a moment. The PowerPoint is now being processed for display. That takes a couple of minutes until it's ready to be displayed to the students. So there's just a warning saying that. We're just adding also the podcast or MP3 file, which is going to play below the PowerPoint. That's ready to go. Go over to our quiz page. Add some text at the top, which will be above the quiz. So it just says take these questions. Do some formatting and click on Save. Click on Add Multiple Choice Question. Click it again, get 2 questions. Start editing the question. This is the question stem. So in this case we're going to ask how long does it take to create a Notion Learning portal. Then we just edit the choices, which are basically the available answers. First one being less than a minute, which will be the correct answer. We start filling in the rest of them. 2 years will be an incorrect answer. We put in our feedback for when the user answers. You don't have to, it's optional. And that should be that question ready to go, so we'll just click on Save. Edit our second question. So where is Notion Learning based? So we're going to give a bunch of cities as our choices. So we just start adding them in. Dublin, that's the wrong answer, we're based in London. There it is, London. Add choice. And we're putting in Madrid as another wrong answer, so we're just filling in our feedback. Set London to the correct answer. Click on Yes, and then finally just moving the Madrid choice around. Click on Save. A quick check of our question options, but we're not going to go into those. Back to page 1 to see if the processing is finished. Not quite. Yes, there it is. Our PowerPoint and our MP3 are ready, so our final step is to enroll a student real quick. So we're going to click on Steve, click on his current enrollments, find our speed test course in the list, click on Save. There's Steve added to the speed test course, so we just log out as the administrator, log in as Steve, put in his password, and there it is on his home page. And there's page 1 with the PowerPoint and the MP3 file or the podcast playing below it, and then of course finally we have our quiz. Okay, so I hope you didn't find that too hard to follow. That was basically about 2 minutes 52 seconds, and in that 2 minutes 52 seconds we uploaded a PowerPoint, we uploaded an MP3 file as well, which would be a podcast which plays below that PowerPoint. We added 2 questions to a course called Speed Test, and then we enrolled a user called Steve. I was speaking very quickly, so you may have found it quite hard to follow. If you'd like to find out more information about our system, which is launching in a couple of weeks, go to www.notionlearning.com. You can email me on dave@notionlearning.com, and we look forward to hearing from you and hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more normal paced videos and tutorials going up in the next couple of weeks, so don't worry, it won't just be speed tests. Thanks for watching. Cheers.